Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Hey there, welcome to the show today. We are so glad you are here as we talk about running a business, specifically how to choose a business bank account that's going to be best for you. So when you run a business, the right business bank account can actually streamline your finances. But the wrong bank account can add unnecessary roadblocks at every turn. With that, choosing the right bank account can make all the difference. Let's explore how you can choose the best business account for your situation. Why you need a business bank account. Operating your own business of any size involves some level of banking activity. While it might be tempting to run the business earnings through an existing personal bank account, that's kind of a perfect recipe for a headache. So here are a few reasons to open a business bank account. You can divide personal and business expenses. Funneling your business transactions through a separate account makes it easier to manage your personal and business finances. And of course, tax time. Tax time can be a huge headache if you don't have your business expenses clearly delineated from your personal expenses. Let's take a look at some factors to consider when choosing a business bank account. All right, so when you start looking at your business bank account options, you'll quickly realize there are plenty of options out there. As you wade through all of the choices, the following factors should be top of mind. Fees, because no one wants to deal with unnecessary bank account fees. Read the fine print of any bank account before you open it to avoid signing up for too many fees. Accessibility and convenience. Some business owners want to work with a bank that offers physical branch locations, but others don't necessarily need access to branches. So determine what level of access you want before selecting a business bank account. Customer service. If you run into questions while managing your business bank account, you're going to probably want easy access to customer support. Read some customer reviews to gauge the helpfulness of customer service. Online banking features. Online banking just makes your life easier, especially when it comes to account integrations. If you already use any business accounting tools, try to find a bank account that offers seamless integration. Account types. The types of accounts you need might include a checking account, savings, merchant services, credit cards, loans, and a whole lot more. Consider working with a bank that offers everything you're looking for. Transaction limits. Some bank accounts come with transaction limits attached. Estimate how many transactions your business currently accepts and plans to accept before moving forward with a bank account that has a low number of allowed transactions. You want to make sure you can scale your business too and grow with your bank account. Steps to opening a business bank account. Let's take a look at those and dive in. So if you decide that a business bank account is the right fit for your situation, here's how to open one. Prepare your business details. So in order to open an account, you're going to need to have your paperwork ready. Banks often require legal documentation of your business entity and an EIN. Compare banks and accounts. The right business bank account will look a little different for everyone. As a business owner, you're going to need to compare your options to find the perfect fit for your situation. Application process. All right, so when you find that right bank account, it's time to finalize the application. Be prepared to provide some information to the bank to send off the application. You might find out about account approval immediately, or you might need to wait a few days to hear back. After you open a business bank account, it's time to start taking advantage of all the features. Not only can you start routing transactions through this checking account, but you'll also be able to set up extra perks. For example, you might integrate your existing account platform directly into the bank account. Let's take a look at some comparisons, just a few, of some popular business bank accounts. All right, picking out a business bank account is a huge step for your business. The good news is that you have plenty of available options, but with so many useful options, you're going to need to drill down into the features that make the most sense for your situation. A quick breakdown of just a couple of some of the most popular business checking accounts to start your search. Novo is one. It's not interest-bearing. There is a minimum deposit requirement of $50. There is no monthly maintenance fee, and it's free and easy to use. We do have a complete Novo, N-O-V-O, review at thecollegeinvestor.com. We have reviews of all of the banks I'm going to mention as well. Here's a cool one, Grasshopper. It is interest-bearing up to 2.25% API. That's pretty good. There's no minimum deposit requirement, no monthly maintenance fee, and you can earn cash back on your spending as well. Find out more about Grasshopper at thecollegeinvestor.com. The last one we'll look at is Navy Federal Credit Union. It's interest-bearing, but only up to 0.45% APY. There is no minimum deposit. There could be a $20 per month fee for monthly maintenance. It just depends. But it does focus on veteran businesses. Navy Federal Credit Union review is at thecollegeinvestor.com. The bottom line, opening a business bank account can help you take your business to the next level. So by separating out your business transactions, you'll be able to manage your business finances a whole lot more easily. If you are ready to get started with this, take a look at the best business checking accounts today. We have an article posted right now at thecollegeinvestor.com. Thanks so much for stopping by today. If you have any more questions or comments, you can also follow us all over social media. Just search for The College Investor. You'll find us. We'd love to get to know you and help you along in your journey. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you again real soon.